As in, people always underrate her that she can't sew clothes, but to me, she's trying. Ọkụ wụ ihe niile. Where there is light, there is life. You get it? Anyhow, my knife go. Your head is bigger than mine.
Yes.
That's your Ojishu Karimonda. Hey fams, welcome back once again. I'm talking. River State, what is going on? It's been 24 hours that we don't have light since yesterday. It's 24 hours now, no light. What is going on? What is going on? And it has been raining cat and what would I call it? Cat and rat. I be cat and dog.
Cat and dog.
Cat and dog. It has been raining. Come and hang this curtain.
Okay.
Vicky, come and hang this curtain for me.
This thing.
No, your hand will not reach there. Let Vicky do it. So, good morning, fams. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to you all. Did you go to church? Because I and my family would not go because rain just finished falling and it's already late. That is why. So, it's Sunday morning. I want to have my eat my breakfast. I'm not a beans lover. Just that something must enter stomach. You understand? Something must enter stomach. Come see, I'm talking. No. Something must enter stomach. My kids just finished drinking tea. So I want to eat these beans before I will enter kitchen to prepare Sunday rice because it's a mandatory that in African home. Come see, what is it? It's mandatory that in African home you must cook rice every Sunday. You understand? So in every African home there must be a rice. There must be a cooking of rice in every home. Understand? Every Sunday is Christmas. Even if you don't eat rice from Monday to Saturday, see Sunday is a must. That there must be rice inside pot and the stew. Then that stew that will remain, it will turn to party jollof on Monday for school. So guys, join me, let's eat these beans. I'm not a beans lover, but you again need to put something inside stomach. You get it? If you are seeing my face for the very first time, don't still forget that it's your girl, your mama, Adachu's in the building. And also do where to subscribe to us, like our video, and also share. You get it? Is what are you showing them? I beg you.
Today is not such a game.
Guys, pardon me.
My head is bigger than yours. My head is bigger than yours.
Your head is bigger than mine.
Yes.
That's your Ojishu Karimonda. So guys, this is me washing the meat I'll be using to prepare this Sunday stew, understand. Another thing I want to ask, please, if you are living around Elele Port Harcourt, and if you know any store that I can buy pink stuff to use and wash this stainless pot, please tell me on the comment section, because I really need that pink stuff. The name is pink stuff, to use and wash a pot, stainless pot, because this my pot is not giving me joy at all. As you can see the back, I really need to try that pink stuff because I saw it online, so I've been looking for where to buy it. I've not seen, but if you know anywhere I can buy it in this LL1 Port Harcourt, please drop it on the comment section. Thank you guys, I love you all. How do you cut your onions? Me, I no get choice, so I no get favorite on anyone where my knife will go. Any side my knife will go, now they cut. You understand? I have no particular cutting skill or cutting style. Anyhow my knife go, ebe mi ajaja. So far, they just brought light for us. Yay! Ah, light is everything. You understand? Where there is light, there is life. You get it? I just talked to you guys I think few hours ago that we don't have light, but now they just brought it. And even me, when there was no lights, I know that I would definitely enter kitchen and cook today based on the understand. But you know that ginger was not there because everything was dull and the weather is too cold. You understand what I mean? So immediately they just brought light. Boom, the energy, just like they revived the strength from where it was hidden. I'm so happy now that I'm using electric to cook. It's gas, still my normal gas, you understand? But that joy with as a NEPA light is another thing. You get it? Is another thing. So I feel excited because, excuse me. So I feel excited because one, there is light. Two, at least as I'm making this video, no much background noise, you understand? Because supposing there is no light, I know my kids will be jumping, shouting, doing I will even be the one to tell them, please, I'm talking for you guys just to hear me. Hey, now they are busy watching tele, you understand? So I can now talk, despite that you can still hear noise here and there, maybe with the church at my back. So guys, I have put my rice on fire and the meat that I'll be using to cook this stew. So I'll talk to you all after I have finished cooking, because I want to just do everything behind the scene, understand? Then the next clip you'll be watching is my tailor brought clothes for me yesterday, so I have not tested that clothes to see how it is, understand? So I'll be checking on that clothes. Let me see if there is any place she will go and amend. So that is what I'll be doing again after I might have finished cooking my Sunday rice, because this Sunday rice is very, very necessary. So talk to you all in my next clip, and don't forget to give me a like and also hit the red button, hit the subscribe button, and also share. Please drop your nice comment. Now comment they make person get the morale, understand? If you want to engage on somebody's post, please always drop comments. Watch the video and drop comments so that the person will definitely know that yes, so person was there. So talk to you all later. Let me not talk too much so that the video will not be too long, because we got to be moving and I'm going on a moving train. We don't need any train that will be going boko 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 boko. Oh my god. So talk to you later. See me, your girl, your mama, that chicks in the building. Love you all. In my next clip, I'm not going now. In my next clip, so don't go. cooking and eating also, you understand. So I have the clothes here. This is a two-piece clothes. One is here. I've already opened this one, so I want to wear it. I wish I can still remember where I got this style from for you guys to rate it if the tailor really try or not, understand. So join me as I test this. This is a two-piece, this trouser and this short, you understand. So let's go and then wear each of them and see how it looks on me, guys. Please pardon me for the noise, understand. There is light and my kids are watching film. So let's go. Okay, here is it. Outfit number one, you understand, two-piece. Can you see it? Very nice. The neck is this is it cowish neck, I mean cow neck. This flowing neck. Can you see how it looks like from the side? That is how it looks like. Understand? See the back. Yeah. So I love it. Very simple, very nice. Understand? Can wear it with any slippers or shoe of your choice, but I'm wearing it with white. Understand? I can wear it with blue, yellow, black. You understand? Because it's a colorful dress. So yeah. So rate the clothes for me. Understand? You are going to be my mirror. Be my mirror. You get it? Be my mirror. So that's it. Please, can you take me a pic? Screenshot me. So let's go and change another one. So outfit number two. Understand? This is a short. I want short inside. Short and a top. Understand? It has this two-sided rope. The back is just as that first one, but the front is just a round neck. But the back is like that other top, but it's at the back. You understand? So I can drag this for this my short to show. You understand? Let me just show you. Can you see? Yeah, this is how it looks like. So rate my clothes for me. Hear it. So how do you feel about this clothes? Do you love it? Because me, I love it, understand? So I rate it 0 to 10. Let me see. I still wear it with my white slippers, you understand? It goes with anything. See another colorful dress, you understand? I'm shouting because of this children. So this is my outfit. And did my tailor try? My tailor is as in, people always underrate her that she can't sew clothes, but to me, she's trying. Understand? It's good to be supporting somebody, be encouraging somebody on what he or she is doing. You understand? So that's my outfit for today. So let me take thumbnail. Trying to take thumbnail. Ah, look at the back. How the back is. Understand?